Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact page on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a polished page with a built-in form so customers can reach you quickly and confidently. A well-designed contact page is crucial for building trust with your customers, and it provides them with a simple, direct way to ask questions or request support. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. From the homepage, select Login. Sign in using your preferred method. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're entering the admin for the store where you want the contact page created. This ensures you're working in the correct environment, avoiding any confusion when editing your site. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Online Store. This is where all of your storefront content lives, including themes, pages, and navigation. Under Online Store, select Pages. This takes you to a list of all the pages on your site, like About and FAQ, and it's where we'll create the new one. Adding a contact page to your site is a simple way to offer personalized support and enhance your customer experience. Click Add Page. You'll land on a blank page editor. In the title field at the top, type Contact or Contact Us. Keep it short and clear so customers instantly recognize what it is, and so your menus look tidy later. You want the title to be simple but easily identifiable, especially in your navigation menus. For example, instead of a generic Contact, you could go for something like Get in Touch or We're Here to Help, if that fits your brand's tone. Beneath the title is the content area. Here, add a brief, friendly message that sets expectations, such as when your team is available, typical response times, and any details customers might need before reaching out. You can also include links to helpful resources, like shipping policies or return information. The goal is to guide visitors and reduce back and forth, while still inviting them to contact you. Providing some FAQs in this section can also help answer common questions before they even need to reach out. For example, you could say, "Our team is available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST. We aim to respond to all inquiries within 24 hours. While you wait, feel free to check out our shipping policy and returns and exchanges for quick answers." This not only sets expectations, but also helps customers resolve issues without needing to reach out. Now, look to the right side of the page editor for Theme Template. Open the dropdown and choose Contact. This template is important because it tells your theme to display Shopify's built-in contact form on this page. The form typically includes fields for name, email, and message, and it routes submissions to your store's contact email set in your admin settings. Choosing the contact template ensures your page isn't just text. It's functional and tailored to customer communication. This feature is a major time saver because it automates the collection of customer inquiries without requiring extra work from you. With your title set, your content added, and the contact template selected, go ahead and click Save at the top. Saving creates the page and applies the template, so it's ready to use. Be sure to check for any typos or formatting issues before saving. You don't want a page with broken links or incorrect information, so a quick review is always a good idea. If your theme supports it, you can preview the page right away to make sure the text reads well and the form appears as expected. This step helps you ensure everything looks polished and works correctly. For example, check that the form fields are aligned properly, the Submit button is easy to find, and the message area is large enough for customers to write detailed inquiries. That's it! You've logged in, navigated to your pages, created a new page, labeled it clearly, added helpful information, assigned the contact template, and saved your work. Your store now has a dedicated place for customers to reach you, which improves trust and makes support smoother. Having a contact page is a powerful way to show your customers that you're accessible and care about their experience. It also adds a professional touch to your Shopify store, which can make a big difference in customer satisfaction and retention. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your contact page set up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Shopify tips.